Hello dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to 3-wire operation in Delta VFD E series inverter. Here required 3 switch: stop switch NC, run switch NO, and this is selector switch for reverse and forward. I will connection stop switch MI3, run switch MI1, and reverse forward selector switch in MI2. MI1 from run switch, MI2 from selector switch, and MI3 from stop switch. DCM from stop switch DCM. Parameter code 04.04 multifunction input terminal. In this parameter I will set 2 for 3-wire operation. Button press, then enter 04. Okay, we'll go 4.4, enter. Here 00, four, 4.4. Now enter. Here set 2. 2 means 3-wire operation. 3-wire operation, then we need to set 2, then enter. Parameter save. Mode button press to exit. Frequency, now frequency. First run switch on, motor is on. Forward running we can sense by selector switch. Now reverse running. Again reverse stop. Again forward is running. Stop. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.